What if your business could run itself? Here's how you can automate almost everything with no-code AI tools. First, you need an operating system. This is a tool like Zapier or Make that connects all of your apps together. It's the glue that allows your marketing, sales, and operations tools to talk to each other. This is the foundation of your automated business. Second, you need workers. These are your AI agents. You can build custom AI agents for different tasks. A marketing agent that writes social media posts, a sales agent that follows up with leads, a support agent that answers customer questions. You build them once and they work for you 24/7. Third, you need a CEO. That's you. Your job is no longer to do the work. Your job is to design the system, manage the AI agents, and focus on the high-level strategy. You're not a business owner, you're a business architect, and your business runs on AI. This is the future of entrepreneurship. It's not about working harder, it's about building smarter systems. Start by automating one small task, then another. Soon, your entire business will be running on autopilot. Subscribe to learn how.